Okay, doing a quick review here. Well, it's not only just a review, also a live performance, sort of uh, testing out a couple products here. Now, a friend of mine was talking about waxing and having a go and, you know, trim up, sort of, so to speak. So, uh, decided I was going to test a few things out. Now, I got two products here, the facial wax strips and then the body wax strips. Now these are from Nads. I know, funny name, but it's Australian. It's short for Natalie. But here's the facial strips. You're talking about, you know, about the size of your finger. Now I already tried this out. There's I didn't feel any pain with this, and I'm doing my leg, but this is the size that I have on now. Now I'll show you in a sec about this, but when you heat these by rubbing them between your hands, it melts this thin special wax. I mean, it's not actual wax. This is like their special blend that they make. I mean, you might remember their old infomercials, but each one of these is actually two strips that you get. And I have two strips on my thigh right now. And like the little strip didn't hurt at all, but we're gonna see how this goes. Well, actually no, that actually didn't hurt. And man, that's a lot of hair. And they say that these are reusable, and I've already tested that theory. You take it, you fold it in half again, you fold it in half and put it together, and then you rub it in your hands again, and you can use this a few times. The little one that I used, I got 4 uses on my thigh before it wouldn't pick up any more hair. This second one has more hair because it's on a hairier spot, so we'll see. Yeah, I mean that is a lot of hair. That is a lot of hair. You know, I feel the tug, I feel the pull, but it doesn't hurt. You know, it feels like you're pulling off a band-aid. You don't feel the hair being pulled out. You just feel this pull on the skin. There was people that were posting photos of it saying that it ripped off the like 6 layers of skin. I'm bleeding, and I've got sensitive skin. I mean, I do have sensitive skin. I shaved today, and I've got all kinds of stuff on me. If I scratch too hard, I get cuts. I mean, that's sensitive skin, and I'm seeing a little bit of redness, and that's it. I'm going to be putting this on again, and I'm gonna go for another round here. I'm gonna get a decent sized patch removed here, and then I'll go from there. Now you got to be careful with these because I did tear a chunk off of this one just trying to peel them apart, but that's on me. It's not them. But as you can see, it becomes real tacky again. And I'll put this on. And they say rub in the direction of the hair growth. Rub in the direction of the hair growth, and then when you pull it off, you pull the opposite direction so that, you know, the hair's laying down and you're pulling it up and away. Okay. Yeah. There's a decent chunk of real estate where there's no hair anymore. I mean, I've seen, you know, hell, 40-year-old virgin, hair getting ripped out. Yeah, I mean, I can keep going. I can do my whole damn leg like this with this, and I mean, that is a lot of hair. That is a lot of hair. I mean, it gets it. It gets almost all of it too. It's not like missing much. I mean, I got a few hairs here and there, but I think it's just hair that that falls back onto it. But I mean, that's just one half. I still have the other half here that I can redo. I can reheat up. I mean, you just rub it between your hands. You know, you get that wax stuff hot again, and like you can feel that it slides. Like when it starts to slide, you know that it's warmed up real nice. And you could see that it's some sticky stuff. Let's see, let's do, yeah. Make this patch nice and squared off. I mean, the stuff I do for views, like yeah, I've got a couple product reviews out there, but I haven't gone to this extreme before. But hey, yeah, I mean, what the hell? Like that is like, yeah, it does. You do feel the tug, but that's about it. I mean, that is like, this is really strange. Like I've seen people going, "Oh my God, that hurts so much. It's so painful. This and that and another, and oh my God, it's painful." I have got a very large section where the hair is just gone. Man, and this is 24 strips. They're 12 double-sided, and it comes with post-waxing calming oil wipe. I mean, hey, it works. I'm surprised. Now, as you can see, yes, there are a couple little stragglers here and down here, but the rest, I mean, that. Now I put on some of that cream to help it, but I mean, I am baby smooth right here, and as you can see, you know, I am not a hairless monkey. I mean, that worked really, really well. And yes, I did do this tattoo myself out of boredom. But I mean, yeah, that stuff, the Nads stuff does work, and I don't even feel it. Like I feel it now because, you know, I can actually feel stuff on my skin. I can actually feel the breeze on my skin. But I mean, yeah. That is insane. It works. It works, and it's painless. Well, relatively painless. So I give it a 10 out of a 10.